Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Juliana. I do fashion and lifestyle videos. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing my most recent and favorite purchases of September, October of this month, essentially. And I'm pretty sure this is my first try-on slash haul ever that I've ever recorded, and I'm gonna post on YouTube. So I'm really pumped and I'm really excited for it. Just want to preface as well, I live in Miami, Florida, for those of you who don't know. So some of these things are year-round appropriate depending on how you style them, but other items are more appropriate for summer tropical weather, but it's a really good mix of things and finds that I bought. So I'm really excited to show you guys everything that is going to be a recent addition in my wardrobe. Let's get started. I personally love watching these kinds of videos, so another reason why I'm even making this is so you guys get to know a little bit of my personal style and what I gravitate towards, and secondly, because I think that you guys are actually gonna love some of the things that I found and purchased this month. So let's get into the first item. First item are these gorgeous Isabel Marant sunglasses. They look like this on my face. They're so sporty, but also elevated and chic at the same time. I really wanted a pair of sporty sunglasses this month. Ones that I can wear when I'm running errands and I'm out and about from the gym to my home. I also really love the pouch that it came with because it's nice and flat and perfect for travel or to put in my big tote bags and everything. And then I just want to note, when you're ordering these glasses, the lens color says black/gold. But when I received these, I was kind of surprised in a way. The metal is a strawberry type of gold. It's not like a true gold. It's also not a gold that's like a champagne gold like my earrings. You can't really pick it up in the camera. Maybe you can, but just heads up. They still match with a lot of my jewelry and I'm still going to keep them, but like I said, they're very different and they're almost like a sheer black. I have a lot of black sunglasses in my collection already, but these were nice because they were like a sheer, almost bluish black. So I'm gonna wear these a ton, and as always, everything's gonna be linked down below. Okay, so the second pair of sunglasses I want to show you guys are not that new, but I've worn them so much recently that I have to include them in this haul. They are by Saint Laurent. They say Saint Laurent on the side, very subtle. And the reason I got these, I was so sick and tired of wearing my classic black cat eye sunglasses. I wanted something different, but something that still lifted my face. And just to show you guys, these are the perfect squared cat eye sunglass, because they're like a combination of a square lens, but they still have this fantastic angled upward look that lifts your face. And last but not least, it has a awesome leather case / pouch. As you guys know, I don't like a puffy sunglasses case. I hate them. I hate unfunctional, like Bottega does a really unfunctional sometimes sunglass case that you can't even, it's so difficult to pack, and this one's great because it's nice and flat, but it's real leather and it says Saint Laurent here at the top. So I'm obsessed with these, and I think you will be too. The next item I'm going to show you is probably going to be one of my favorites in this whole video. And I know that's a big statement to make, but I'm serious when I say I'm obsessed. And that is the Tory Burch Red Z Will bag. So both of these are in the double petite size. This bag model comes in 3 different sizes, I believe. But I chose the double petite size because I just love a mini bag and it looks good on my frame. And there's many reasons why I love this bag. One of which, if you own a lot of mini bags, you know that they're very impractical and things get thrown in everywhere. And to get that one lip gloss at the bottom of the bag, you need to take out like 3 or 4 different items, which is super annoying. Not with this one. Just wait. So this comes with 1, 2 sewn in card holder, 3, and 4 different compartments. What? Crazy. The back has attachments for a crossbody strap if you don't want to wear it as a top handle bag, which is crazy cool. I love the contrast between the matte leather and the suede. It makes it very fall appropriate. And then the last reason why I bought this is because I am not yet to the level of affording a Hermes Kelly and Birkin, but I love the look of one, and I love the look of when it's like undone and it has the buckles open. And I wouldn't even call this a dupe. The Red Zewel bag is its own design, but it's so functional, practical, minimal, chic, all the things in one bag. So I really had to get her in 2 colors, you guys. I plan on wearing her with sneakers, with heels at night. This is the inside of this bag if you want to check it out. I really will be utilizing the heck out of that inserted card holder. I think that was so smart. And I also love how easy, like it's not very difficult to open the bag if you wanna give it like the open buckle look as well. Very chic. So both of these bags are super affordable in my opinion, in contrast to a lot of contemporary bags out there, but I will be linking both below if you guys are interested. Run, don't walk, there's limited units left. And if you want your pick of which neutral bag you want, definitely check it out immediately, as soon as you can. So it's a really great bag. I'm so excited to wear it. I don't have a lot of space in my closet, so very rarely do I buy bags in general, because when I buy a bag, it has to be really special. It has to be fashionable meets functional. So trust me when I say that bag is a great deal, because price-wise, I've seen so many bags that are probably 4 times the price of that Tory Burch bag, and trust when I say like there's just so many features to the bag. I think it's a great buy. Next, I want to talk about this fabulous belt that I got at Zara. I ordered her in a size 85, and the reason I got her is because for several months now I've been wanting the Bottega Veneta belt that Daniel Lee designed for Bottega a couple seasons back. And I'm typically a size 27, 28 in pants, jeans, size 4 or 6 too. So if you are the same, I ordered an 85 and it fit perfect. I also really love how lightweight this belt is. And I did not previously own a thick black wide belt like this, but I plan to wear it with several different things. I think this is a great styling piece. So one of the things I plan to wear it with is my blazer from my line, Studio Drouet. If you guys didn't know, I designed the perfect blazer. It's perfect because it's unlined, shoulder padless, it has slits for my girlies who have hips. It is perfection because you can wear it in any single weather, hot or cold climates, anything. And it's very packable, easy to travel with. I reach for it all the time. So just to give it a different look, I wanted to put this belt with it. I'm gonna show you guys a quick video of what it looks like, but it's gonna look so chic. I'm like really excited about it. And I also plan on wearing this with a dress that I got at Zara as well. It's this very long, extremely long and open back maxi slip dress. And she's fabulous. Look how deep the back is. Like it really shows all of your back. And I sized down this. I got a size small. I also want to show you how thin the straps are. She's absolutely gorgeous. She's gonna look great with the belt. I may have to take her in the bust though. I'm just warning you guys, if you buy the same one, she has a lot of fabric here. So I may have to just kind of smooth it out in the bust with some tailoring, but this is the code if you guys are interested in the dress. I love her. You can never own too many LBDs like this. Or excuse me, not LBDs, maxi BDs. Next up, we have this gorgeous set from Reformation. I hope to God they have it on the site still. It's called the Vancouver set, and it's a mini skirt coordinate set with a linen matching top. The back has smocking. I really have to say, when I ordered this from Reformation, this is one of my first purchases from Reformation ever. Their customer service is impeccable. I was in between sizes. I gave them my measurements. They responded so quick. They also gave me such fast shipping. Like, I will be ordering from them again. I get it, like now why they're so pricey. You are really getting everything. You're getting quality, you're getting customer service for your buck. So I'm very impressed with this company. I'm so late in the game because I know everyone already knows Reformation, but Really love this. Planning on wearing this black mini skirt with tights if I travel to New York, or a black sweater, why not? And or you can even wear, this is what I'm saying, you guys, you can style it for winter if you want. I'm gonna wear it like this in Miami, obviously, but let's say like you buy the set, you can wear the top with like black leather leggings, some black boots, and like a chunky cardigan. Like you can do so many things with this top, and or, you know, make it separate, make it a coordinate set. Love it. Ordered this in size 6. I am a true to size 6 in Reformation, and the fabrication is linen, so it's like very breathable, really nice. Overall, really impressed with Reformation and their quality. Okay, next up is this gorgeous green dress from Beck and Bridge. I'm obsessed with her. The color I got her in is Pear Sorbet. She looked a little bit lighter on the website. I will say I was expecting her to be a little bit more of like a sage green, but she's more of a pear green. So just a heads up. I loved the bust stitching design. I don't know why, but I really needed a mini dress for a party, and she didn't come in time. I was really disappointed with how long Beck and Bridge took to ship out to me. I don't know why, because they really upped the price on all of their dresses, and then for it to get that late to me, it was just kind of like incredible. But anyway, I got her in an Australian 10, US size 6. It's a very well-made dress. It's very lightweight, great quality. Again, I'm just complaining about the shipping, but it's the perfect mini dress. I personally, living in Miami, can never have too many of these because I always have an occasion where I'm gonna need a mini dress. And when I saw her on sale, I was like, I have to have her, because I always need like mini dresses in my closet that I can reach for. With my lifestyle, I'm such a busy person. I do not have the time to like quickly go to the mall and grab something. Like I need it to be in my closet already. So that was like one of the many reasons why I got this beautiful Beck and Bridge mini dress. The last apparel item is this beautiful white kind of seersucker textured polo dress. I loved her when I saw her. I bought her off of an Instagram ad. Those Instagram ads kill me. And I, once again, am a Australian 10 USA 6, size medium is what I ordered. She's super cute. I really needed a dress like this because when I'm running errands, I want to be in something comfortable, but I also want to look put together. So I can envision myself putting this on with like some strappy sandals, some sneakers, and I also just love the material. I think it's really appropriate for Miami, LA, Dallas when it's hot. And she's completely lined. And I'm impressed with the lining too. The material is really nice. Sabo skirt impressed me. This is my first time ordering from them. They also took a while to ship out, but I give them a little bit more leverage because again, they're an Australian brand. And I don't know where Beck and Bridge is from, but I know Sabo skirt for sure is like truly, truly Australian. And I'm impressed with their quality. So I will be ordering from them again. And they fit true to size from my experience with this dress, so love her. Last but not least, I totally jumped onto the ballerina trend and I bought myself these gorgeous Marc Fisher ballerina flats. I don't know if I'm a ballerina flat girl yet, you guys. So instead of investing some crazy money into some Chanel flats, my suggestion is do what I do. I first buy myself something and see if I gravitate towards wearing it a lot. And if I do, then I'll invest in like a nicer pair in Chanel or whatever. But at the moment, these are so stunning. They kind of remind me of these Prada ones that I tried on, and they run true to size. I always have such a good experience with Marc Fisher footwear, and they sell 4 different colors of this beautiful ballerina flat at Neiman Marcus. I obviously got the nude because I feel like this is the one I'm gonna wear it the most. But it has the cutest gold tassels, and I actually love how the square foot still looks very modern and contemporary, but it makes my foot look delicate as well. So definitely check these out. The blue suede are so pretty. I wish I got the blue suede too, but again, I'm just trying these out. I've only worn them once. You can still see like they're very, very new, but everything, including these, will be linked. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this. This was so much fun to share my purchases with you guys. I want to know, what was your favorite one? Let me know in the comments below. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give a like as well. I will see you guys in the next one. Sending all my love. Bye.